Is there any objection in this hall to the union of John and Jinky in civil matrimony? Wala naman po siguro. Nasa masok. Okay, kung wala po nag-object, isuot nyo na po ang sing-sing, kaliwang kamay sa ring finger. Kaliwa. Okay. There being no objection, I, Arnel G. Talisayon, Third Secretary and Vice Consul of the Republic of the Philippines in Seoul, Republic of Korea, through the authority vested in me by the Government of the Philippines through Article 75 of the new Philippine Civil Code, and acting on its behalf, now pronounce you John and Jinky, man and wife. Congratulations. Anong ginagawa ng bagong kasal? Sabi nila tayo.
Next.
Kita ba? Hindi naman
Ganito ba?
Dahan-dahan lang. Si ate parang dalagita. Dali na.
Ganito po.
Kiss lang eh.
Sigurado ako nagawa nyo na dati yan. Pero ito lang po kasi, importante na ma-document siya kasi ito ang inyong first kiss bilang husband and wife.
Okay.
So dapat, bigyan nyo sila ng
Correct!
1 minute. 1 minute.
Palakpakan po natin.